46. A beautiful menace under the ice. While exploring the Canadian North, photographer Paul Zitka came across a wonderful sight. It wasn't the snow-capped mountains, the pine trees, or the tranquil lakes. Rather, it was some bubbles that caught Paul's eye. These bubbles were visible just under the icy surface of a lake. There were hundreds of them, all frozen in place. They looked like strange sea creatures, maybe even alien life. What the photographer had discovered is actually a gas called methane. Methane is a greenhouse gas that's far more powerful than carbon dioxide. By some estimates, it's 25 times more powerful. It's also highly flammable and can explode when released. Methane bubbles are formed by bacteria at the bottom of lakes. These bacteria consume plant matter and release methane as part of their digestion process. You might say it's a bacterium's way of farting. In warmer weather, these methane bubbles float to the surface and are released into the atmosphere, but when the water is frozen, the bubbles get trapped in the ice. But methane bubbles are far more than just a pretty picture. In actual fact, they're a serious threat to all of us. Methane is a gas that contributes to global warming. Some parts of the planet are frozen all year round. It's called permafrost. As the planet heats up, this permafrost melts, releasing methane bubbles from lakes and rivers. The release of this methane causes more global warming, which melts more frozen lakes and rivers. The process is called a feedback cycle because the effect contributes to the cause. According to one scientist, frozen methane is a climate time bomb awaiting to go off. The methane feedback cycle is yet another reason why the fight against global warming is so important. We all must do our part to solve the problem. This could mean planting a tree or even just walking to school or work every day. Doing so will help preserve the natural beauty of these frozen bubbles. It will also help save the entire planet. Let's keep these dangerous bacteria farts where they belong, safely under the ice.